Differences between transmission oil and engine oil. Transmission oil and engine oil are two essential fluids for the proper functioning of a car. Although both are lubricating oils, they perform different functions in the vehicle. In this research, we will analyze the main differences between transmission oil and motor oil, including their key properties, functions and characteristics. Motor oil. Motor oil is a lubricating fluid specifically designed to reduce friction in the moving parts of the engine. Some of the key characteristics of motor oil include 1. Viscosity. Motor oil has a different viscosity, which means it flows more easily at high temperatures and maintains an adequate lubricating film between engine parts. 2. Detergent properties. Motor oil also contains detergent additives that help keep the internal engine components clean, preventing the buildup of sludge and deposits. 3. Wear protection. Motor oil is formulated to protect moving engine parts from excessive wear and metal-to-metal contact. Transmission oil. Transmission oil, on the other hand, is a lubricant specifically designed to protect and cool the moving parts of the transmission. Some key transmission oil differences are 1. Viscosity. Unlike engine oil, transmission oil has a different viscosity that allows it to provide an adequate lubricating film on the moving parts of the transmission at different speeds and temperatures. 2. Friction properties. Transmission oil contains additives that improve friction properties, allowing smooth and precise transmission shifts. 3. Heat transfer properties. Transmission oil also helps dissipate heat generated during transmission operation, preventing overheating and premature wear of parts. Motor oil and transmission oil are two essential fluids for proper car operation, but they play different roles in the vehicle. Engine oil is responsible for lubricating, cleaning and protecting the moving parts of the engine, while transmission oil is specifically designed to protect and cool the moving parts of the transmission, as well as provide smooth shifting and transfer the heat generated. Knowing these differences is essential to maintain and extend the useful life of the vehicle, ensuring optimal performance of both the engine and transmission. Therefore, it is important to follow the manufacturer's recommendations for oil change intervals and use the right type of oil for each component of the car. In addition to the differences mentioned, it is important to note that transmission and motor oils also differ in their chemical composition and vehicle manufacturer specifications. In terms of chemical composition, transmission oil usually contains special additives to improve the strength and efficiency of the transmission, such as anti-foam and anti-wear additives, as well as friction modifiers. These additives help reduce wear on gears and other moving parts of the transmission, and ensure proper operation and durability of the transmission system. On the other hand, motor oil is specifically formulated to resist the high temperatures, high pressures and severe working conditions to which the engine is subjected. Contains detergent and dispersant additives to keep engine components clean, as well as antioxidant additives to prevent oil oxidation and deposit formation. In addition, motor oil may also have special additives to improve engine efficiency and reduce fuel consumption, such as anti-friction additives and anti-wear additives. Regarding the vehicle manufacturer specifications, it is important to follow the manufacturer's recommendations regarding the type of engine and transmission oil to use, as well as oil change intervals. Each manufacturer may have different requirements in terms of viscosity, additives, and technical specifications. Therefore, it is essential to use the correct type of oil to avoid performance problems and ensure the vehicle's warranty. In summary, although both transmission oil and motor oil are essential lubricating oils for the proper functioning of an automobile, there are significant differences in their composition, properties and functions. Know these differences and follow the manufacturer's recommendations of the vehicle will allow us to maintain the health and optimal performance of both the engine and the transmission, prolonging the useful life of the vehicle and avoiding costly repairs.